Ex-MP and AICC Secretary Vinay Kumar Sarake accused saffron organizations such as Vishwa Hindu Parishad and RSS of misleading youth belonging to the backward classes and using them to propagate their hate campaign. Speaking at the district level convention of other backward classes wing of the Karnataka Pradesh Congress Committee held in Mangalore, he pointed out that most of those who were arrested in connection with the homestay attack belong to backward classes. Members of backward classes agreed to commit such acts for saffron outfits to get out of their poverty, he added. Further, he accused the BJP of attempting to garner votes through a divide and rule policy, adding that the public should be made aware of the BJP's unjust and anti-people agenda. MC Venugopal, president of the OBC wing of the KPCC, delivered the presidential address in which he said the Congress has the support of backward classes and minority communities. Further, he said that the UPA government has released rupees 21.5 crore in 2005 in addition to the state government's rupees 2 crore to conduct an educational and social survey in Karnataka, but the BJP has been postponing the survey for the past 7 years in spite of Supreme Court notices. He also alleged that the state government is not appointing a Lokayukta for the state simply because it knows that 70% of its ministers are corrupt. KPCC President Ivan D'Souza, former MLA Vijay Kumar Shetty, Mayor Gulzar Banu, PV Mohan, Suresh Ballal and others were also present. Walmart stores has said it is capable of opening stores within 12 to 18 months in India and would be seeking permission to do so from states that have already indicated their willingness to have the US retailer set up shop. Walmart stores President and CEO for Asia Scott Price said. A day after the charge sheet was filed in connection with homestay attack in Mangalore, the High Court dismissed the PIL filed by senior advocate Vasudeva seeking action against the perpetrators. Total of 44 people were mentioned in the charge sheet, but only 24 of them and have been remanded to judicial custody. Once again, the main headlines. Manmohan Singh defends reforms, warns against misinformation. Siblings murdered for money in Dharmasthala. Beltangadi police said motive not yet clear. Saffron organization misleading the poor using backward class youth, Vinay Kumar. This is all in this edition. For more news, keep watching V4 News 24/7, or you may also log on to www.v4news.com.